A long-standing goal. It is a celebration of not only one achievement, but also that of a community. It is the coming together of the school community and its stakeholders and the families and friends of the graduates. This program is a tribute to the academic community, its stakeholders, the parents and the families of the graduating batch 2026, and this year's graduate degree candidates and juris doctors. After all, despite the odds, this year's batch of graduates conquered all challenges and finished strong. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pride that we present the Northeastern College 79 commencement exercises with the theme Roots and Legacy, Unfolding the Journey. As we embark on a ceremony of elegance and reverence, let us now witness the procession in the tune of pomp and circumstance of Sir Edward Edgar and Jubilate by Maestro Lucio San Pedro. Leading the procession is the year's Grand Marshal, Dr. Rod Pasqua, Senior Professor of Graduate School. Please rise. Let's welcome the administrative staff. A round of applause, please. A round of applause to our professors and faculty of the graduate school and juris doctors. Coordinator of Research, Mr. Glenn Daniel D. Cabote, LPT. A round of applause to our guidance counselor, Dr. Doriel R. Elian. A round of applause to our school accountant, Dr. Mr. Dante O. Clemente, CPA, MBA. A round of applause to the Coordinator of Gender and Development and Women Empowerment, Ms. Nikki Lazaro. A round of applause to our Human Resource Director, Dr. Judicial D. Viloria. Applause to the NSTP Student Affairs Director, Professor Marlon J. Baisa, MPA. A round of applause to our Chief Librarian, Dr. Franelisha L. Recosta. The officer in charge of the College of Hospitality Management, Madam Joyce V. R. Velasco, MPE. A round of applause to the Dean of the College of Information Technology, Madam Lloyd M. Hermosuras, CPE, MSIT. The coordinator of the College of Nursing, Madam Judith Villonia, LPT, RNMAN. The officer in charge of the College of Genetic Engineering, Engineer Mariano C. Quinones, LLB, MBA. The Dean of the College of Education, Madam Saran, Dr. Saranay Dayawin. A round of applause to the Vice Dean of the Graduate School, Dr. Venus R. Pascual. A round of applause to our Executive Assistant to the President, Madam Katrina Camille Casey Bautista. Let's welcome the Vice President for Academic Affairs and the Dean of the College of Accountancy, Business Administration and Management Accounting, Dr. Clemente P. Claro, Jr., CPA. Let us all stand as we welcome the entrance of the institution maze carried by the school registrar, Madam Judeline Agustin. The maze is a powerful representation of the institution still displayed during official school functions. Crafted from solid bronze and adorned with intricate carvings, each stamp is meticulously fashioned from the finest Philippine hardwood. It is the testament to the school's academic community's enduring spirit and unwavering commitment. Let's welcome the Alumni President, Engineer Pedro Noble. Let's welcome the Board of Directors, Director Preciosa Pascual and Director Dicha Villiote. A round of applause to Director Attorney Marcelino C. Cabogana Jr. Let's welcome the coordinator of the College of Liberal Arts and the chairman of the Executive Committee of Toronto State's Director, Dr. Ahmad B. Elias. Let's welcome our school treasurer, Director Leandro Valdesancho. Our legal counsel and corporate secretary, let's welcome Director Attorney Gemma Esusa G. Bautista. A round of applause to the Vice President of the Administrative Affairs and the Dean of the Graduate School, Director Dr. Sabina B. Pascual. Gentlemen, let's welcome the school president, Director Dr. Tomas C. Bautista. A A round of applause to the chairman of the board of directors and the dean of the College of Law, Director Attorney Edmar C. Cabocana. Let us witness the entrance of colors carried by the criminology student. For the invocation, we will call on Dr. Anthony N. Walla, Doctor of Education, Graduate School Professor.